Back with another video. Y'all know what it is, and y'all damn sure know what it ain't. So we're gonna get started with this video. Shout out to all the new subscribers supporting the channel. Really appreciate you guys. Go to the website, go purchase a F.O.M DTF shirt, and you have a chance of winning a nice bulk bundle of ink. Three different inks we have: 1,000, 500, and 250. So go ahead and pick that up. Go to the website, be a lucky winner. But other than that, let's get to this video. I have a lot of people that visit the website, purchase on the website. A lot of people reach out to me. We talk. A couple customers are returning customers that they're local customers, and they actually come and pick their orders up. And I speak to them in person. So the video is basically for all types of people. You know what I mean? If you're internet shopping, you purchase something on the internet from the website, and I got to send it to you, or you're local and you pick local pickup and I give it to you curbside delivery. Either or. Okay, let's do this. Let's make it simple for the both of us. Now, a lot of people that I talk to, they say they're using Canva. They use their editing and, do their photos or make their little images or whatnot. Now, I know about Canva because I used to use it before. It's not a good software if you're trying to edit for DTF printing. Now, if you're using it for using it with a Cricut to design some Cricut images or things or whatnot like that for, say, halftones or anything that's silk screening or whatever it is outside of DTF, it's not going to be good enough for DTF printing. And what I mean by that is the resolution, it don't save it to 300 DPI. Transparent backgrounds, you can remove that, but sometimes people have trouble with that as well. But the main thing to keep in mind is it's not a good program to use to start editing your work if you're trying to get DTF transfers made, straight up. Because the software doesn't have that capability of having a high quality resolution, and when you're saving the file into a PNG, it retains that quality. It don't have that unless you use that with a Photoshop, switch it over to Photoshop after you save it in a PNG format. You can up the resolution, take out the background, add some more different little, designs or something inside of that. And by that time, if you're doing all this, you might as well just use Photoshop. It's simple. So you can continue to use Canva. And on my end, if you read image recommendations on the website, it tells you that I do not touch your guys' images, do not reshape, resize, or add on, or do anything. I just print what you give me. Make sure your image is in a PNG format, high resolution, transparent background, and you send it to me. It's already ready. I have to do nothing but just push print. So it's more for you guys if I have to do that. It's going to be an extra charge on top of that if I have to resize, and if I have to fix your color resolutions, it's going to be more for that, and I don't really have time to do it. So I just hope people to be more mindful, double check your work, triple check your work, or go get Pro Tools. I mean, not Pro Tools, but Photoshop, or a lot of people say use GIMP. That's a good program, but I haven't really used it before. I tried it, I used it, but I haven't really got deep into it. But other than that, I will use Photoshop. It's the best for you guys. Illustrator, if you use Illustrator, Photoshop, you use Photoshop, but it gives you a way better quality afterwards when you put it on a DTF transfer and start printing it out. It just looks so good. So let me show you. How this is. So just showing you the quality of the transfer. Now, if I would have just took that, because that was a low resolution transfer. right here for a customer that's gonna pick up. It's their little design that they sent me. So, and you guys gotta understand, like, resolution plays a big part of all this, guys. A big part. To all my Patriot fans out there, Patriot fans, you feel me? That's what I'm talking about. Quality. But you won't get this same quality if you don't know about resolution and having the proper settings. So it's kind of hot. And I got so many that I did. I got big ones, small ones. So I don't want to go through all of them today. But the thing is this. Make sure that you guys use good quality software. Check your work when you finish. You're about to save it. You think it's done, double check or triple check. Make sure everything is a go. The image sizing, the color, the resolution, everything is in place. And I think you'll be just fine, because image, the quality is everything when you're trying to get a nice print, multiple shirts, or starting a clothing line, or somebody outsourced the work to you and then you outsource it to somebody else. You want to make sure that quality is there, because if you don't know about just DTF printing, if you don't know about how you think it's going to come out, or then you must be new to the DTF, field. So that's what I assume, because if you know DTF printing, every time if you do everything you're supposed to do on your side and giving a good quality image to the printer and he prints it out, it's going to be quality every time. It cannot be no in-halves or no mishaps or in-betweens. It's going to be quality all the time. So that is one of the main things that we need to focus on, trying to get this images and resolutions down packed, so we can know when I send this out, oh, I can't wait to get it back. Because some people, they'll see an image on their computer screen and it looks real nice, and they'll be like, I like that, I'm gonna get this, let me send it to them. They did not do no color, no adjustments, didn't go ahead and check the resolution or up it or lower the resolution, because you're looking at something that's in a CYMK color format, and then when you're printing it out, it converts that CYMK color format into RGB so it can be printable. And once it's printable, you go ahead and print those out. You go ahead and look at it and be like, oh, that's what I'm talking about. So, but this right here is going to come throughout time, or if not, you start researching and studying and get caught up with the game, because you have to know what you want. If you're doing DTF printing, it's no, let me see how it's going to come out. No, it's going to come out actually fine if you got the right color resolutions and settings. It's going to come out fine, perfectly, the way it's supposed to, all the time. I'm going to leave you guys with that. Appreciate the ones for like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn your notification bells on to all. Get all the new content that's going to drop. I haven't been dropping that many videos. I've been so busy looking for locations, but we're going to speak about that on the next video. And I'm out.